With Sync, you can call Mom at home. There's no need to pre-program details into your car. Sync directly accesses all your phone's contacts, so you can call anyone with a few simple voice commands. Just connect your mobile phone via Bluetooth, and you're ready to go. Sync can also play music from your iPod, smartphone, MP3 player, or even a USB pen drive. Simply connect your music device via the USB, and your music is ready to play. So if you want to play the track, We Found Love, just say the word and enjoy the ride. Your voice makes it happen.